In this tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at how to customize the Create Your Own page on your website. This is the page where people can go and select a blank product and create it from scratch. And the way that we're going to do that is by going into our backend, but first we need to take a look at deciding which products we want to allow people to customize, period. So let's go into our backend, click on Settings, and then we're going to click on Select Blank Products. The reason a person would want to select only certain customizable products is if they were creating a specialized store. So say you're only selling t-shirts, you really wouldn't want the option of, say, customizing a toddler's short sleeve t-shirt. So what you could do is simply uncheck the I want all blank products to be available, and you could simply go through and select exactly which products you want to allow people to customize. But we're going to go ahead and allow people to customize all of them, and we're going to go ahead and start to configure how that Create Your Own page is laid out. And also, one of the things that we're going to do differently in this tutorial is we're going to rename that page. So instead of it being Create, we're going to name it Create Your Own. Now, as with the other pages, we can decide whether or not we want to display the products first or the categories when people first visit that page. We're going to keep it as Display Products, Show All Viewable Blank Products. That would just create a big long list of all the different products that you can configure. We're going to go ahead and leave that at No. Page image, again, this is the page image right here. We're going to be including some customized text, which I've already put in there to save time. So we're going to set that page image to off. And now it's time to customize how we want the blank products to be viewed, how we want them to be displayed, and what happens when somebody clicks on that blank product. So the first option is the panel title or the section title. Instead of Create Now, we're going to put Pick Your Apparel. And the next option is going to be what happens when a product is actually clicked on. By default, it is going to go straight into the online designer with the cheapest design price. That's going to get people designing their products right away, which we have found yields the highest conversion rates. What you can do instead is to select Products Details page, and we'll save that and show you what that looks like. So if we go back out to our products page and click refresh, we're going to see the custom text that we added in there. And then when someone actually clicks on a garment, it's going to go to the products page. And the thing that they're going to have to do to get into customizing their own is to click on this custom printing link right here. Now, from what we have seen, you will get much better conversion rates if you streamline that process. To streamline that process, we suggest that you leave this setting to just system default, because what that will do, and we'll show you here in a second, is once that product is clicked on, it's going to go straight into the online designer. Now we can show prices for decorated, non-decorated, or both. We're going to go ahead and just show the decorated products pricing. The next option is to allow blank products to be purchased. We're going to go ahead and leave that to yes, but we're going to switch some of these other settings because some of these other settings are more for if you're only trying to sell blank products or if that's your main focus. You can do it if you want, but that's not going to be our focus for this store. With that in mind, instead of having the regular mode, we're going to have catalog mode, and we'll show you what that means here in a second. So we're going to go ahead and save these settings and see what our website looks like. So if we go back out to the Create Your Own page and hit refresh, this is what it now looks like. It gives much more detail of each product. It gives a color swatch to let people know what they're offered in, and it also gives them the price of what it will cost for a custom design. Then when someone clicks on one of the products, it goes directly into the online designer so that they can start configuring their product. They can then easily add it to the cart and make a purchase. This page, just like all the others, are completely configurable, and you can make it look and feel however you want. However, this is just what we suggest based on what we have seen from conversion rates. The last area that you may want to configure is the sidebar, and it's easily done just like the other pages by going to the back end, going down here to the bottom, and you can decide whether or not you want to include categories. We highly suggest that you do, and you can also include any of your own text that you would like. But as we can see, our website's really starting to take shape. The pages are starting to look very congruent with each other, and the entire website really has a nice look and feel to it. That's going to do it for this tutorial. I thank you for listening and look forward to seeing you at the next one.